Adverbs of frequency, the easy way to talk about how often do you do that? Never, rarely, sometimes, often, usually, always. How often do you exercise, brush your teeth, go swimming, go out for dinner, spend time with your family, hang out with friends, and spend time with your partner? Have you ever wondered how to tell someone how often you do something in English, like every single day or rarely? Well, you're in the right place. What are adverbs of frequency, you may ask yourself? Adverbs of frequency are words that describe how often an action happens. So let's dive into adverbs of frequency. These are super useful words that tell us exactly how often an action takes place. They assist us in adding precision to our everyday conversations. Let's start with always at the top and work our way down. 100% equals always. Everyone always speaks well of Musa. 90% equals usually. She usually fed her cheap cat food. She usually fed her. 80% equals normally. A sentence normally has a subject and a verb. 70% equals often. I often take walks along the beach. 50% equals sometimes. Married people sometimes wish they were single. 30% equals occasionally. I occasionally eat breakfast in the morning. I occasionally. 15% equals seldom. My kids seldom watch TV at night. 5% equals rarely. He rarely makes mistakes, but when he does, he does. 0% equals never, but never say never. I never forget a student's face. So let's recap adverbs of frequency. 100% always, 90% usually, 80% generally, 70% often, 50% sometimes, 30% occasionally, 15% seldom, 5% rarely, 0% never, and a few more ways to use adverbs of frequencies. I always drink coffee in the morning. Sinem never eats meat. Funda and Ege often go to the park. Florin is always on time. They are seldom late. I am never tired. You should always check after your treatment. She can sometimes sing off tune. He will never give up. Gallup often goes to the gym. You are now ready to use adverbs of frequencies like a pro. Try using them in your conversations today. What's something you always do or never do? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Freestyle American English for more English grammar tips.